Imagine the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean, where the air is filled with the rich aroma of olive oil, fresh herbs, ripe tomatoes, and grilled fish. This is the cradle of Mediterranean cuisine, a culinary tradition steeped in history and bursting with flavor. But the magic of Mediterranean food goes beyond its mouth-watering taste. It's a diet that's as healthful as it is delicious. At the heart of this cuisine are key ingredients like golden olive oil, an abundance of fresh produce, lean proteins like fish and poultry, hearty whole grains, and even a moderate amount of wine. Each of these ingredients plays a role in the Mediterranean diet's well-documented health benefits. Scientific studies have shown that this diet can boost heart health, assist in weight management, and even contribute to longevity. Now let's journey together into the heart of this vibrant cuisine with 5 delectable dishes that you can easily recreate at home. First up, a classic Greek salad, a refreshing medley of crisp vegetables and tangy feta cheese. To prepare this delightful dish, you'll need some fresh cucumbers, ripe tomatoes, pungent onions, savory olives, crumbly feta cheese, extra virgin olive oil, and a blend of your favorite herbs. Start by chopping the cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions into bite-sized pieces. Mix them together in a large bowl, then add the olives and crumbled feta cheese. Drizzle everything with olive oil, sprinkle on your herbs, and give it a good toss. Voila! Your Greek salad is ready to be savored. This salad is not just a flavor explosion, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. The high fiber content from the vegetables aids digestion, while the heart-healthy fats in the olive oil and feta cheese support cardiovascular health. The antioxidants from the herbs and vegetables help boost your immune system. There you have it, a simple, refreshing Greek salad that's as healthy as it is delicious. Next on our culinary adventure, we have hummus, a creamy, protein-packed dip that's a staple in many Mediterranean meals. The ingredients you'll need are simple: chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. To prepare, you'll first need to blend your chickpeas until smooth. Add in your tahini, a sesame seed paste that's rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. Next, squeeze in the juice of a fresh lemon for a tangy kick. Add a clove or 2 of garlic according to your taste preference. Lastly, drizzle in your olive oil while the blender is still running. This creamy delight is not just delicious, but also packed with health benefits. Chickpeas are high in protein and fiber, making this dip a satiating snack or meal component. Tahini and olive oil, on the other hand, contribute heart-healthy fats that help lower bad cholesterol levels. Serve this velvety hummus with pita bread or fresh vegetables for a nutritious snack or appetizer. Moving on to the main course, we're preparing a simple yet flavorful grilled fish with lemon and herbs. A dish that embodies the essence of Mediterranean cuisine, combining health benefits with a taste that will make your palate dance. We start with a fresh, lean fish. Now, the type of fish is entirely up to you, but some popular choices are salmon, sea bass, or cod. These are not only tasty, but also packed with lean protein, which is essential for muscle growth and recovery. Additionally, these fish species are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat that supports heart health and brain function. Next, we have our flavor enhancers, fresh lemon and aromatic herbs. Lemons add a tangy freshness that cuts through the richness of the fish, while the herbs deliver an additional layer of complexity. The beauty of using lemon and herbs is that they pack a ton of flavor without adding any extra calories. This is a common practice in Mediterranean cooking, using natural ingredients to amplify taste while keeping the dish light and healthy. To prepare our grilled fish, we'll first rub it with a mixture of finely chopped herbs, olive oil, and lemon juice. Then we let it marinate for about 30 minutes to allow the flavors to permeate. After that, it's time to grill. Place the fish on a preheated grill and cook each side for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the fish is flaky and fully cooked. Finally, drizzle a bit more olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice right before serving. The olive oil, another staple of Mediterranean cuisine, is known for its heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. It also helps to keep the fish moist and adds a subtle richness that perfectly complements the lemon and herbs. This grilled fish dish is a testament to the Mediterranean cuisine's ability to turn simple ingredients into a gourmet delight. With every bite, you'll enjoy a burst of flavor, the health benefits of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, and the satisfaction of knowing you've prepared a meal that is as delicious as it is nutritious. For our fourth dish, we're diving into a comforting bowl of whole grain pasta with tomato sauce. This dish is a symphony of simple, wholesome ingredients. We begin with whole grain pasta, a fantastic source of fiber that supports heart health and digestion. Next, we incorporate fresh tomatoes, bursting with vitamins and antioxidants. To bring our sauce to life, we'll need some finely chopped garlic, which not only adds a punch of flavor but also has numerous health benefits. A generous drizzle of olive oil, rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, will be our medium for sautéing the garlic and tomatoes. As the sauce simmers, the flavors meld beautifully, creating a robust and hearty sauce. Finally, we toss in our cooked pasta and garnish with fresh basil, adding an aromatic finish to this delightful dish. The result is a plate of pasta that's not just mouth-wateringly delicious but also a feast for the body. Enjoy this hearty pasta dish that's not just satisfying but also packed with nutrients. Finally, for a sweet ending to our Mediterranean feast, we have a colorful fresh fruit salad. This delightful dish is a symphony of flavors, bursting with a variety of fresh fruits. Think of juicy oranges, sweet strawberries, tangy kiwis, and crunchy apples. Add a touch of honey for natural sweetness and a splash of lemon juice to balance it all out. Preparing this dish is as simple as it gets. Chop your fruits into bite-sized pieces, drizzle with honey, and squeeze in some lemon juice. Give it a good mix and voila, your fresh fruit salad is ready to serve. Each fruit in this salad brings a unique set of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to the table. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, strawberries provide a good dose of folate, kiwis are packed with vitamin K, and apples offer a healthy dose of dietary fiber. This fresh fruit salad is the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth while reaping numerous health benefits. And there you have it, a feast for your senses and a boon for your health. We've explored the vibrant world of Mediterranean cuisine, delving into the preparation of 5 delicious dishes. Our journey began with a refreshing Greek salad, packed with antioxidants. Then we whipped up some protein-rich hummus, a staple of any Mediterranean meal. Our third stop took us to the sea with a grilled fish seasoned with lemon and herbs, a dish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. We then cooked up some whole-grain pasta with tomato sauce, a high-fiber dish that aids digestion. Lastly, we ended on a sweet note with a fresh fruit salad, a perfect blend of vitamins and natural sugars. These dishes aren't just tasty, they're a testament to the Mediterranean lifestyle, a lifestyle that merges pleasure and health seamlessly. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Remember, the Mediterranean diet isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle. So embrace it and enjoy the journey to better health. Before we wrap up this culinary journey, we have a small request. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please do us a favor and hit that like button. It helps us reach more food lovers like yourself and continue to produce these exciting culinary adventures. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got a smorgasbord of delicious and healthy recipes lined up just for you. From exploring international cuisines to breaking down complex cooking techniques into simple steps, we're here to make your journey to healthier eating a fun and flavorful ride. So, hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting culinary adventure. Remember, good health is just a dish away. Thank you for your support and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.